friends, welcome to Uptech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD. In our previous video, we have drawn this drawing. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out. It is in the I button. Next, for this video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF which is in our website. This download link is given below the description box. Next, starting with apply dimensions to this drawing, first of all you have to make certain settings regarding dimension styles. First, type command DIMSTYLE dimension style command, enter. Then dimension style manager dialog box will be opened. Next, click on modify tab. Then click under line tab, change extend beyond dim line to 1. Then under symbols and arrow tab, change arrow size equal to 2. Next, under text tab, change text height 3. Next, under text placement, change vertical above. Next, under offset from dim line, change it for 1. Then under fit tab, select the radio button, draw dim line between extension line. Next, under primary units, change the precision to 0. And then hit OK button and close this dialog box. Next, to apply dimensions to this drawing, first under annotate tab, take linear command and select first point, second point and drag mouse outward and select. Then for again repeating this command, press space button from keyboard. Then automatically this command will be taken. Then first click, second click and drag mouse outward. In this fashion we have given 2 diameters to this 2 circles. Then next, for again linear command, press space button from keyboard and drag this point outward and click. Then click on this point and drag mouse outward and then click. Next, to give distance between these 2 center lines, take again linear command, press space button from keyboard and then click first click, second click and then drag the mouse outward and then click. To give distance between these 2 center lines, then again take linear command, press space button from keyboard and then click this point first and second point and drag the mouse outward and then click. Next, to give radius to these 2 arcs, take radius command from under annotate tab, take radius command and then select the curve and drag the mouse outward. Again repeating this command, press space button and then click the arc and drag the mouse outward. To repeat again, giving radius to this circle, press space button from keyboard and then click the arc and drag the mouse outward. Next, take diameter command from annotate tab and give diameter to this center line, which is 60 diameter. Then to repeat diameter command, press space button and click smaller circle and drag the mouse outward. Hence there are 8 circles in this drawing. Double click these dimensions and then type 8 holes and then 8 holes and then click outward. Then to give diameter to this circle, press space button to repeat the command diameter and then select circle and drag the mouse outward. Then to give diameter to these two circles, again press space button from keyboard and then click and drag mouse outward. Again press space button and click circle and drag mouse outward. So in this fashion we have given dimensions to this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve it. Do hit the subscribe button. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.